What did you do?
I don't know. What is wrong with this fucking box? It's so broken. Ah, drop the knife. Drop the bacon. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're gonna do free play.
Okay. Yeah, cause I suck. I have not made the burgers. I played the fried chicken one and pizza. Sucked at both.
So you wanna do the burger?
Sure. Let's learn.
Okay.
I,
Who's on grill duty and who's on assembly duty?
I'll be on grilled because I suck at assembly.
Yeah, sounds good. This will start.
Some pre-cooked stuff.
No. Okay, I need a hamburger and a bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheese. Which means you need some bacon.
Oh, I'd go some buns. That might help. Come out. Grill some buns!
Grill some buns.
All-star cut of buns.
You have to grill buns?
I just cut the cheese and do it everywhere. We have to cut it first?
I didn't know that.
Okay, there's a cheeseburger. Now, did you grill another? You didn't grill another bun.
There's 2 pre-cooked buns. Oh, bun, not. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what you mean. Too skilled. Too much skill. Making stuff. I just dropped the hamburger.
Is that cooked?
Yeah, the bacon's cooked.
Okay.
So's the meat.
You don't. Okay, this one's stacked.
You're so
Complicated
deserves.
ass order. You idiot. Take that.
Ah! I dropped the knife!
Here's your hamburger.
Oh my god, that knife went flying.
Take your burger.
Take the bubba.
The unassembled burger. Whoa, just stole a plate on the ground.
Okay. 2 patties. 2 patties.
Yeah. Do what you idiots want. Come on. You gonna order? Or nah? I fucking hate you. Another bacon cheeseburger.
Alright, I got 2 patties. We got.
Oh, you got a shit ton of stuff. Cook it. I'll make some bacon. Make some bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
We have 1 bacon.
There. I need 2.
We only have the 1.
I can't tell. One burger? Bro. Yo, McDonald's who, like? I need to wash these dishes.
Yeah.
Run those on plates.
Oh my god, those buns are gonna burn. Okay.
Yes? What can I help you idiots with?
Oh my god. What the hell just happened?
Four of these fuckers. What do you idiots want? Bro, they all want bacon cheeseburgers!
They're popular.
Understandable, but like, calm down.
Oh my god.
Run alone, everything.
Yeah. Don't worry. We have
Order everything. Stupid rat.
Oh my god, those plates just.
Get the fuck out of here. One bacon cheeseburger.
Oh no.
You- Where'd the other piece of bread go? There's only one. Let me go this
In it. Grab the bacon. Bacon grabbed.
Start going. Buns.
Box is going in the trash. That is the wrong thing. I just took meat with me. What the hell? That box is floating. Oh my god. Oh my god. These rats. Stupid
Boom.
rats.
Boom.
Oh, drop the bacon! Okay, apparently I have a patty with me.
Right, come here.
No!
Fair plate.
Oh, Satan is being spawned outside the trash can. Bacon. Yes, sirs. Oh my god. Hamburger, hamburger, cheeseburger, hamburger. Okay. We need so many pieces of bread.
Oh, did you finish it? From the fire? How is there fire under here? What did you do?
I don't know. What is wrong with this fucking box?
I think I got it.
This game
Okay,
is
fire
so
there.
buggy. I'm so screwed. Can I cook
We
knife?
need bacon cheeseburgers.
Burgers too.
Hamburger, cheeseburger,
Not
hamburger.
where I put the freak.
Be like them. And order hamburgers. And you guys left. Thank God. I'll take your hamburgers. I'm gonna keep that there. Hamburger. F hamburger.
It's the first customer we served in an hour.
No, I want it.
Oh my god, dude, these physics are garbage. I keep knocking everything down.
You don't have to stack the burger. You just have to put it on the plate and they'll find it there.
Patty.
Yeah, burger for the non-complicated people. The people I enjoy. You're welcome. Right there. Yeah, we need more bread.
Okay, this thing has one more bread in
Yeah,
it.
Joe, if you just throw stuff on the plate, they do not care.
Okay, good.
Here you go, homeboy. And 5 dirty plates. And what is this abomination right here?
I don't know.
Did you order bread?
Yeah. Well, yes. Yeah. The only thing I didn't order was cheese.
Okay, that's fine. We can live without cheese. I think we have enough cheese for these guys. You need to order more cheese right now. Okay, bread. You get everything else. We just need the bread the most.
Patty, 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 patty.
Where'd it go? Yo, can we get this food off the floor?
Oh my god. It's so broken. Everything is delayed.
That's what you fucking order. I do not care what you order. That is what you order now. You no, girl, but
What is the point of this thing?
hamburger.
This box is going sicko.
I don't care about any of you fools. There's your cheeseburger.
Box disposed of. Hamburger made.
We need more buns.
We do need more ones. What is in this box?
Bun
Bacon.
right here.
Do I-
Yes.
Hang on, I'm ordering more buns. And cheese. Burger.
Okay, get cheese.
Cheese. Done.
What is on fire?
Nothing's on fire.
What is on fire? What do you mean? Is on
Oh my
fire?
god, now
What is
there's-
on fire?
I have it.
Why the bird has on fire?
What is going
There's no
on?
grill.
I got kicked out.
Put it in the trash.
The fire bacon, it kicked me off. It was too much.
That might be it.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yep, it is.
Oh my god. Everything is on fire.
There was a burger. Oh, yeah, there's still a burger in there.
It's a burnt rat. Oh my god. There's so much fire.
Okay. My achievements.
Get on some fire extinguisher. Just knock them on the head when they fall down the ball chair. Whack. Wham. You're killing the rat that's already dead. He's already he already has toxic gases in him.
Nah. Ready up, stupid.
Ready to
Yeah, we're doing a cook-off.
cook off. Oh no.
We're seeing who can cook better, okay? Remember. Bun. Bun. Knife. Cut the bread. I don't like that I can see you.
Oh my god. Everything is delayed and I don't like it. Okay, that bun is floating. That's not good. That bun is now in the air. This is ish. Oh my god. Why is everything delayed? I don't like it. This game sucks. Sucks. That sucks. I'm sped. Sure, that works. That's a hamburger. Stupid.
Idiot.
It's not my hamburger. It's not hamburgering. Is it because I had cheese on? Oh, what's wrong with this burger? It's it's perfect.
Nope, it's not.
I think ever since my game had a stroke, it just doesn't like working.
Yeah. Easy.